Alright guys, welcome back to my 12th day of me trading on my Topstep account. As you guys will see right now, we are in a downwards trend a little bit. But I mean, it's still very early to tell. But obviously, it's like downwards trend a little bit. I am checking Forex Factory just to make sure we don't have any crazy news coming out. And fortunately, we do. We do not. My bad. We do not. We do not have any crazy news going to be happening, so that's very beautiful. Very happy about that. We do have a yellow folder really soon, or relatively soon, but nothing crazy, nothing very impactful today, so I'm quite happy about that. But yeah, so I mean, it's just really not moving too much right now because this pre-market market doesn't open until like another 20-ish minutes, but going to see if I can take a trade before the market even opens. But as of right now, I really can't because not enough has occurred as of right now. So I will be back when something does occur. All right guys, and so I am back. Right now we have a first entry to go short, and then a second entry could occur relatively soon. Not after this one because there just wouldn't be a second entry. However though, the market is about to open, so I'm probably not gonna take a trade like right now, but like a little bit after it does open, just because it's gonna get quite volatile, and I'm not gonna be on the wrong side just in case a lot of buyers want to step in just randomly. But yeah, it's already starting to go down anyway, but there's only a first entry to go short. No second entries yet there, so I'm not taking that trade, and it might even reverse back, but doesn't seem like it might. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's nice. Very beautiful little drop right there. But yeah, the market's about to open up very soon, and I thought maybe we had gotten a second entry to go short, but there's only one entry to go short, and it just started to kind of just tank. So that's just that. But yeah, I'll be back when the market's open and when another setup does occur. Okay, so I'm bringing it back. So we had a second entry to go short. However, like I said, the market just opened, so I'm not really too confident to take a trade as soon as the market just opens. But the scout would have worked out. However, looks like a lot of buyers are coming around here, like around this area, and kind of pushing up the price. I know it's still a little bit early to tell, but like, I mean, based off this candle right here, right, like this, a lot of buyers just came out of nowhere. And then like it's kind of not even going past this right here. I mean, like it's still way too early to tell, but just based off the observations I'm seeing as of right now. But it's just nothing at the moment. Not that one trade, but I skipped it because it was a little too early to take, and the market just opened, so it could have just reversed instantly. So wasn't gonna take that for sure. But yeah, it's like buyers might be stepping in relatively soon. This might be where we just kind of stop out at, and maybe might push higher, but we'll see in due time, right? Yeah, they're gonna going back and forth right here, which is interesting, but yeah. Okay, so we are back once again, and the market like just wants to keep dropping. I wonder if we're gonna touch this low right here, which I got this low from over here, so that's the reason why I have this low down here, this blue line. So I'm wondering if we're gonna come off that, maybe bounce off it, and or maybe go through it. Might be a red day, or it's a red day for sure right now, but I mean, overall it might just be a red day. It might chop up a little bit, kind of maybe keep going down on hopefully maybe touch this right here and go shoot for the upside. But in due time we will see. But that move is such a beautiful move. But that's really about all. If it does break through this it's like channel, or well, yeah, I guess big channel that I have going, I'm going to be really cautious when I start taking my trades after this point right here, because I'm just not gonna know really where to stop taking my longs, stop taking my shorts at. But that's just the name of the game, I guess, right? But yeah, we're just in a downwards trend still right now, and I'm quite surprised, to be honest. All this has been like moving quite slowly. It's not like very not a lot of action going on right now, to be quite honest. But I mean, yeah, it's just in a downward trend, and that's that. And we've only had one entry to go short, which was here, and nothing else. So can't really act on anything else at the moment. But honestly, I probably wouldn't even take a short at this point because I feel like it's just too extended. still extended down, and that's obviously don't want to be taking a short right at the bottom of the trend, right? So I have to be cautious about that as well. So I probably wouldn't even take a trade even if I see a setup occur. But yeah, so I'll be back. I'll be back when something does occur though. All right, it's still way too early to tell, but I'm starting to like what we have going on right now, to be honest. Hopefully we can have this continue the upwards. Hopefully we can have this continue an uptrend. See if the EMA is gonna hold it. The EMA is kind of holding it a little bit, but praying that we can keep going to the upside. I probably wouldn't be able to take a second trade to go long if, depending on like how this all plays out, because I feel like that's okay. This right here makes me a little bit iffy, but as long as we keep going like above the EMA, then we should be okay. But I wonder if I'll be able to take a long trade after this. But if we're like under the EMA and I see like a second entry to go long occurs, I might take it, to be honest. But I have to see, like, it has to look like a decent setup though, in my eyes personally. But that's just how I'm feeling right now. But hopefully, like I said, we can keep pushing up higher. But we're probably gonna get like a little reversal, check a little reversal right here, and then just maybe keep pushing down. But we will see. Like the first long's about to activate soon. But yeah, I'll be back when a potential second long occurs. Honestly, now I'm looking at it, we might get a short
Order
opportunity
submitted.
after this one right here. Might be a second entry to go short. So right here is the first right here, and then maybe not. Where's the first entry to go short? If it goes above this and then comes down, and I say that second entry go okay. My sell stop in right here. Might be a good time to go short right here. But we still past this bottom right here, then that's second entry short activating right there. I do want to kind of look for the longs, but I kind of think that
Order filled.
This will I think I'm gonna go, I should go above here or the other one, but we're in this trade. Honestly, now I'm looking at it, I don't think he even wicked down past it. This is not really too good. I'm not gonna lie. Didn't even go past it. I just got filled in. Interesting. Okay, well, I think this might not work in my favor. Yeah, like it just touched it and then got into the trade. That's quite unfortunate, to say the least. Okay, now second entry like basically activated. I'm hoping the EMA can support this and keeps the price obviously underneath it. We have a lot of tops right there. I'm not really happy about that, I think. I'm thinking once it breaks literally these right here, it's gonna push up. Yeah, I think this is where we're gonna get taken out right here.
Stop filled.
Damn. Okay, so very unfortunate right there. Very, very unfortunate, but it happens. Hopefully we can come back and make a W. Okay, so I'm looking at this right now, and we do have a second entry to go long. So first entry is right here, and the second entry is right there. However, I do want to hop into this trade, but I don't think it's a good idea since we've been literally around this area, this exact same area, dude. Not really moving too much. I just kind of got burnt from this one right here. It's quite unfortunate, but it's like a pretty good long opportunity right here. But I think I'm gonna skip on it just because it's, like I said, it's not really moving too much from right here. So yeah, I'm not trying to take 2 losses in a row. And we've already gave back the profits basically of what I made the day previously. So that's very unfortunate, but hopefully we can bounce back and make some more comebacks right now. guys, it's a little bit too early to call it right now, but it's like it might be a good second entry long after this bar is done printing. If it was to go above this right here, so you might just
Order submitted.
order ready. I'm gonna put it like right here, so it's like a pretty good bar. Going through the EMA though a little bit, not entirely liking that too much, but it should be okay. EMA still kind of rejecting it. It is at the highs of the. Hold on, how big is this? Just how big this risk is. Pretty steep risk. I'm not really entirely sure about this one.
Order canceled.
Yeah, I'm not entirely sure about that long right there, to say the least. I don't know if I should just return back later in the day to try and trade, or what I should possibly do. This price action is not looking the prettiest.
Order submitted.
I don't know, because I want to like enter off like right here basically, right? But I think it only really counts if I was to like enter go past this right here. You know what, I'm gonna try it. I'm not liking it.
Order canceled.
Yeah, let's cancel that one. I think I'm gonna give it more time. Hopefully we get out of this like funk of trading range that we're in. But yeah, it's all kind of bad right now. All types of bad right now, in my personal opinion. But yeah, I'm gonna take a little break from the charts. I'm gonna come back a little bit later on and see if that this price action is a little bit better. But this day might be done already, to say the least. It might be done, but we'll see. I'll be back later and update you guys then. Yeah, so we're literally just around this area the entire time. Nothing really changed. Some drops, some pumps up. That's really about all. With that being said, this might be the end of the day. I might come back a little bit later on today to see if we are trending in any way, and maybe try and take a trade off of that, try and recoup some losses. But it looks like it's just a ranging day. Unfortunately, took a huge loss. Get back my profits from the previous trading day, but it happens to be it is like that. But we will be bouncing back 100%. But yeah, I can't trade ranges right now, unfortunately. But one day we will be able to. But as of right now, we gotta stick to trading days, or trending days. My apologies, stick to the trending days. But I mean, I didn't know I would be in a range this entire time. But yeah, so very unfortunate, but it does happen. It does happen. So, but there's a very possibility I might not even come back later on. But so I'm just gonna potentially just end the video right here. And yeah, so hope you guys had a great trading day. Hope it was way better than mine. But if y'all had the same day like me, then I'm very sorry to hear. And you know what, guys, we'll bounce back 100%. We'll make our gains back in due time, and then some, right? So yeah, that's all I have to say really for right now. And yeah, just take it easy, guys. All right, so I've come back way later into the day. Not really too much action, a little bit here and there, but I think we might be taking this a long trade.
Order submitted.
So basically there is a first entry go long happened right here. Something after this one, another entry go long after this candlestick forms. I'm trying to hop into it after this literally ends. It did go underneath the EMA, It's not the prettiest sight, but should be okay. Let's hop into it.
Order filled.
Alright, we're in. Make my target profit a little bit less than 1 to 1. So make sure I can try and get this scalp. This is the hurdle with to get over. If we pass here, I might move the stop loss or my sell up a little bit higher, target profit a little bit higher. I think if we pass this, then we should be good to like kind of keep going up. But if we don't break past here and keep kind of chopping around here, I'm gonna take my profit a little bit early. I'll just manually close it at 1 full point.
Target filled.
Okay. Yeah, it's very choppy still today. Lacking like recoup some of the losses from today. And honestly, I'm for sure now down with the day. I am 100% now down with the day. I just wanted to try and get at least recoup some of the losses earlier, and we did, thankfully. Quite happy about that. I can't really complain. Today was a horrible day to trade. Wouldn't have really have known that after I took my first trade, which is so unlucky, but it's okay. Like I clearly don't do well in a ranging kind of day, and a trending day. I think that's my bread and butter. So it's like so to say for like a lot of other people too as well. I think a lot of people do way better in a trending kind of trade day, but just today was ranging. It was ranging all day, and like I said, I would not really known until after the fact of me taking the trade, because like we had this like push down going slow, and it was my bad, just a push down and it was going slow. So maybe that's like an indicator that I need to be mindful of in the future. If we are moving like downwards or upwards quite slow, it might be a ranging type of day. And yeah, because like I said, I took a trade as soon as I went to go short right here, if I'm not mistaken, to go short, got in and then basically got out instantly, unfortunately. And was ranging the entire time, come back, and I basically just found this one, and I was like, I think this might be a good time to go long, and thankfully we're able to capitalize off that and make some profits back, like I said. But that is gonna end of today's recording for sure, 100%. I'm not gonna come back again because it's too slow for me, but hope you guys trading day still went way better than mine, thank God, and I was able to recoup some losses, but you know, not as much as I lost, but it is a-okay. But it is what it is. We'll come back next week and hopefully do better and recoup all and make more than what I lost. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and you know what, take it easy now.